In today's video, we're showing you how to make this lovely moisturizing face and body spray. To make our spray, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 3 tablespoons of distilled water, 3 tablespoons of rosewater, and 15 drops of essential oil. To make our spray, we're going to begin with our 3 tablespoons of distilled water, and then we'll add our 3 tablespoons of rosewater. So rosewater is really full of vitamins and minerals for your skin. It's also very hydrating. You can sub it for 3 more tablespoons of distilled water, or for an extra luxurious spray, you can use all 6 tablespoons with rosewater instead of distilled water. Next, we'll add our vegetable glycerin, and vegetable glycerin helps to lock in moisture. So we're adding moisture with the rose water and almond oil, and we're helping it to stay and sink into the skin with the vegetable glycerin. Next, we'll add our almond oil, which is very hydrating and moisturizing. You can use any kind of carrier oil here, except for coconut oil because it will clog the spray pump. And finally, we're adding our lavender essential oil. You can customize this spray using different oils, but we like lavender because it's a great all-around oil for all skin types. Now all you need to do is grab your bottle and funnel and pour your spray into your bottle. You can use this on your face and on your body for a nice moisturizing spray, and you can use it on its own or underneath your other lotions, oils, or creams.